Here we are at Hit and Misses for the next step, peer mentoring and more, pistol raffle. Good luck to everybody that is in the pot. Thanks.
Okay folks, here we are for the pistol raffle drawing. It's Saturday, July 2018, and here we go dumping in the tickets.
Good twirl, good twirl. Backwards.
Okay, John, I'd like you to do the honors, please.
Me.
Peter
Stapley.
Peter Stapley.
It's a guy from
What?
my work.
Is it really?
Yeah.
There you go.
Awesome. Terrific.
Cool
Awesome.
beans.
So there we go. That's the winner.
Now,
Peter Stapley.
what number? Ticket number?
Ticket number 171.
171.
Cool.
Winner, chicken dinner. You gonna call him?
We'll pull it in close. You shouldn't do the phone number, but
I've been bugging you for 45.
all right. Should we give him a call now?
Give him a call.
Yeah, do it live.
Talk to him?
Go ahead. Give him the good news.
No, please leave a message.
Mailbox is full too.
Tell you what, let's send him a text. His mailbox is full, so.
He saw it coming from the boss. He's like, I'm not answering the
Yeah,
phone.
right?
He wants me to come into work.
Yeah, if you decide, here, you need to take that picture too. This is what Nick did with my rock island 45s.
Cool. Yeah, I can remember that. That's
Yeah.
amazing.
That was amazing.
Yeah, that is a nice weapon.
Nice shooting, thanks.
All right, let's see how long it takes him to respond back.
So you know the drawing was today?
I told him it'd be this week, so. Yeah. Cool.
There we are, folks.
Good guy.
All right.
Until the next raffle. You already cut it?
Yeah.
Cool.
All right. Get this thing off of here and put some food on the table, huh?